Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to hear yourself when recording in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments that you can access. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to hear ourselves when recording. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. So tap on audio recorder and it's going to open up this new recording menu right here where you have all the options to start recording and so on. And basically guys, what we want to do if we want to hear ourselves when recording is find this monitor button right here at the bottom right corner. In the bottom right corner is going to be the monitor button, which after you click, as you can see, is going to tell us that we need to apply a pair of headphones to be able to use the monitor button to hear ourselves when recording. So you want to connect your headphones, and after that you can use the monitor button right here and increase the volume how loud you want it to be. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.